So right now we're gonna go to the lake over there so that Vito over here can catch a fish. We already brought our fishing poles. All Vito's gonna do is catch a fish. We couldn't find one over there at HEB.
I think I got something, guys.
You die.
Alright, well we caught the fish. Now we're gonna go home and teach you guys how to make it healthy.
You need
It's like paprika.
ground paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, lemon pepper or regular pepper is fine, whatever your choice is, ground oregano, ground thyme, and finally margarine.
And some lemon juice. Well, it's preheating. We're gonna start doing the steps. Okay, with all these spices, we're gonna get 4 teaspoons or three spices and spices, and then another is 1/8 what?
So for the 1/4 teaspoons, it's for paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder.
Paprika, garlic, and
Onion.
onion.
Yeah.
Okay, these right there. Bam.
So those are going to be 1/4 teaspoons, and the pepper,
The pepper.
ground oregano, and the ground thyme are each going to be 1/8 teaspoon.
And when you all have that, this is what you're gonna get. But besides all that, we're still gonna have to put lemon juice and
Margarine.
yep, that thing that I never heard before. So yeah,
It's a healthier substitute for butter.
there you get it. Okay, so right now we're gonna do is just gonna we're gonna cut it right here, here, and right here, and both sides. So basically, both sides. When we cut all this stuff, we're gonna put
We're gonna put our little mix.
our spice between them, and then we're doing both sides. We just put it in the pan with foil, aluminum foil paper. Okay, so basically, and we be the honors to cut this.
Wait, so okay.
Okay, here, Vito.
Okay, here. Oh, you got it.
You have to do the... Yeah, no, you have to go like, well, you do the honors.
Okay.
Will you do the honors?
Whoa, this is hard.
So not only is it healthy food, but it gets some good exercise cutting it.
And then this is our first time actually cooking. Oh, not actually cooking, but something like this. So, yeah.
Perfection.
Okay.
I don't think we're supposed to cut through everything, are we? I thought it was just like one half of it.
Yeah, but you think I'm not cutting. Oh. So basically like this. Hopefully we're doing it right. And then now the other side.
Well, ask your mom.
Okay.
So wait, your mom said to like put it inside like the sides or what? Like inside the incisions?
Ah, that's one. Another one.
It's like inside the incision. She said put it inside of like.
Ask her if it's inside the incisions or inside of the actual fish itself.
Ooh. Look at this.
Actually looks not that bad. Looks pretty good.
Okay.
So the reason we're cutting it like this is so that we can get the spices and the margarine and everything
Inside?
and we can layer. We can like.
Wait, can we just put it inside here too?
No, we don't put it inside. We actually put it on top, and then these help get
Absorb it?
Yeah.
I'm Billy.
I know.
What's
yeah.
your name?
So you put it and you flip it or what?
Kissy Kissy. GB GB GB.
Oh!
It's so weird. Oh my god.
We put it inside the thing?
Yes,
I think it's enough.
you want to put in this?
Yeah, I think you should take out the margarine and let some of it melt.
Yeah. We're gonna need to do this.
Because how about like this is just like a test trial, you get me?
First, let me wash my hands. So.
Oh my god, you
Just
should
in-
have done it at the beginning.
No, I did it. I did that.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
just in case, because in this case, we're gonna have to.
You weren't supposed to mix the.
Yeah, thanks a lot for telling us that, Josh.
You have to do this, not with the spoon.
Now I'm just gonna do this. So,
I'm gonna.
Make sure you put it evenly around the whole fish,
yeah.
just to make sure that the flavor is equally
Same.
divided.
Actually, it doesn't smell that bad, actually. It smells pretty good.
If this turns out to be really good, I'm gonna be surprised. Not really surprised, but like a little
So you say my
surprised.
cooking's bad?
No, I'm just saying that we.
Is bad.
I'm just saying that that we're inexperienced little hoes.
Okay, 1.5 tablespoons.
So let's just put some inside. No, get out.
Doesn't hurt to put a little bit inside. What if like actual fish people look at this?
I
Not
know.
like fish people, but like people who cook fish. So basically, you want to get the margarine, put it inside the bowl,
And
make
melt
sure it's
it.
clean, and then you want to melt it.
Okay, let me do it.
You gotta put it evenly.
Ah, looks so googie.
I guess it may not look pretty, but trust us, the end result's gonna be good.
It will make you feel pretty.
I'm scared.
Yeah, me too. Ooh.
Dude, this better taste good.
Yeah.
Trust me, guys, it'll taste good.
We spent $7 on this fish. Or how much was it?
I don't know.
$4.
So there. You could buy this in $4. It's not that expensive.
Now we're ready to put it in the oven.
Is it really ready?
Yes.
And make sure we're safety, not actually detriment.
We don't need to put vegetable oil or anything?
Oh no, because we have the
Foil.
aluminum.
So
So now,
the foil.
now we're gonna wait for safety on first, sir.
Fine.
Oh, he doesn't.
So how long are we cooking it for?
Okay, wait, where's the... Here it is. There you go. Now one stick.
Well,
This is gonna be
Come on, get a shot of the fish.
beauty.
right now the fish has been ready 25 minutes or tops that. Yeah, but it's been over there. So turn it off.
Let's
Open.
just let the heat out so that you don't burn yourself.
Well, you're still gonna break yourself, but try to use a mittens in this case. So that's how it looks.
And there's our food.
So a good way to test it is to get your fork and make sure that it's pretty. Yeah,
That
that's
is-
pretty.
This
good.
is a damn eyeball.
Oh, I thought you were actually gonna eat it.
Did you know that the eyeball is the most healthy part?
Yeah.
They might not be true. I'm dead.
It's not recording.
I don't know if that.
It's not recording. Wait, is there supposed to be a recording thing at the bottom?
No, but actually.
Josh,
What?
how do you make sure it's recording? I'm just kidding.
Oh my god.
It's pretty good actually. It's actually pretty good. Okay, well, you cannot touch this. Josh does not have mittens right now. And I just ate an eyeball. Always eat the eye. It's good.
Always.
Always eat the eye. Okay, end product basically is this. Josh.
Hey, you. Yeah, you in the blue shirt. Are you sick of constantly eating unhealthy food? Are you looking forward to eating something new? What if I told you that it was just as meaty, better tasting, but healthier? Pull up the food. I don't know.
Here you go.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit, bitch. You don't have to eat it because somebody tastes
Okay, I think we're good.
How does it taste? Honestly.
Not honestly.
You could say shit, good, medium, eh. So it's a meh. Better than a neh. So this is the waste. Wait, is it this like?
I kicked a brick. Oh! I went to the back to go kick it and I kicked a brick.
Don't eat unhealthy food.